Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will learn how to connect a Schneider M241 PLC to a Weintek HMI via modbus TCP. If we go to the project's main block, I already made a simple program with some tags that I want to connect to my HMI. I have added the tags I want to add to the HMI in my global variable list. Now let's jump over to EasyBuilder Pro and create a new project. First we need to choose the correct HMI type we use. Then we need to find Schneider Modbus TCP IP as the device type. Next we need to specify the PLC's IP address. I will now add a button that I will connect with my lamp button memory tag. Next I will add my lamp that will activate when I press my button and connect it to my lamp memory tag. Now I will add a switch that will activate my counter. And last I will add a numeric plate that will show my integer tag that counts up. Now we can download the program to the HMI. I will now test out the connection. When I turn on the switch, the numeric plate will start to count to 10. And when I press my lamp button, the lamp will turn on. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.